The truth about Torlon Polyamide-Imide: myths, facts, and advantages. Torlon, or Polyamide-Imide, is one of the highest performing thermoplastics in the world. It bridges the gap between metals and plastics, offering extreme mechanical strength, wear resistance, and thermal stability in applications where ordinary polymers fail. But despite its advantages, Torlon is surrounded by myths. Let's clear them up. Myth 1. Torlon is just another plastic. Fact: Torlon behaves more like a metal. It retains strength and rigidity even at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, far beyond the limits of conventional polymers. Myth 2. Torlon is brittle. Fact: Torlon parts absorb heavy loads and impacts without cracking. Its toughness and fatigue resistance make it ideal for gears, seals, and bearings that operate under constant stress. Myth 3. Torlon is too expensive to use. Fact: while Torlon costs more per pound than standard plastics, its long service life, reduced maintenance, and ability to replace metal often make it the most cost-effective choice overall. Myth 4. Torlon can't handle harsh environments. Fact: Torlon is exceptionally resistant to chemicals, fuels, solvents, and wear. It maintains performance in aerospace, automotive, and oil and gas applications where other materials quickly degrade. So why choose Torlon? It delivers strength approaching light metals like aluminum, continuous service temperatures up to 500 degrees, outstanding wear and friction resistance, excellent chemical stability, and dimensional accuracy even under load. At Clayens, we manufacture precision Torlon components that meet the highest standards for aerospace, automotive, medical, and industrial use. Torlon PAI isn't just another option, it's often the best option when performance, reliability, and durability are mission critical.